Hi, good day. In this tutorial video, we're gonna show you how to connect and configure two personal computer using Cisco Packet Tracer, designed by Cisco, a cross-platform visual simulation tool that allows the user to design and create network topologies. It could also be used to simulate Cisco router configuration using CLI or command line interface. First thing we need to do is to drag two end devices, specifically desktop computers. So we have PC0 and PC1. Using a crossover cable, we will be able to connect those two computers. Plug the cable to the fast Ethernet port of PC0. And the other one is for the fast Ethernet of PC1. Then, we will set and assign the IP addresses of the two computer units. So for PC0, we're going to assign its IP address as 192.168.0.2 and its subnet mask as 255.255.255.0. And for PC1, we will assign its IP address as 192.168.0.3 and subnet mask as 255.255.255.0. Once we already assign the IP addresses for each unit, we will now be able to send PDU from PC0 to PC1 using this icon. So click on this envelope icon from PC0 to PC1 or vice versa from PC1 to PC0. Using the simulation tool or simulation feature, we can see what happened to the PDU of PC0 and PC1. So click on PC0 and then PC1. So you will see how the data was being transferred from one computer to another and then returned to the sender. And then the status would be successful. Hopefully you've learned something from this video. For more tutorial videos, you can check out, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.